Hello student, today we are going to start science second standard ninth chapter second energy flow in an ecosystem. This is actually seventh chapter and this is the third part of the various living organisms is given in this picture. Then oxygen cycle. So oxygen from is a 20% of the atmosphere. It is also present in the hydrosphere and lithosphere circulations, and the recycling of oxygens within the atmosphere is called as oxygen cycle. So this cycle to include the both biotics and abiotic component. Oxygen is a continuously proceed as well as use up in the atmosphere. So the oxygen is highly reactive and it is readily react with the other elements of compound, as the oxygen is found in the various form like as a molecular oxygen means O2 in form of water H2O, carbon dioxide CO2, inorganic compound etc. Thus oxygen cycles of the biosphere is extremely complex. Oxygen is released in the process of photosynthesis, means the plants are absorb the carbon dioxide for the photosynthesis and it is release the oxygen, that is 21% of oxygen in the atmosphere. तो जो प्लांट है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेते हैं और ऑक्सीजन छोड़ते हैं और वो ऑक्सीजन्स प्लांट एनिमल्स रिस्पायर कर लेते हैं, दैट इज़ अ ऑक्सीजन साइकिल. और ऑक्सीजन जो कंपाउंड में होता है जैसे कि O2, H2O, CO2 फॉर्म में अकेला नहीं होता है, जैसे कि ऑक्सीजन यानी O फॉर्म में, वो एसेंट ऑक्सीजन फॉर्म में नहीं होता है. So here is mentioned the oxygen cycle. Then oxygen cycles means the plants are produce the oxygen, means produce the oxygen say, and this oxygen is breathe the animals, breathe in oxygen is animal, and breakdown of the sugar molasses by the animals by carbon dioxide CO2. This animals gives out this carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is absorbed the plant. This plant is absorb the carbon dioxide and produce the food material. It is used for the photosynthesis. Means the atmospheric oxygen is O2, but the respirations of the carbon dioxide and water molecules means H2. It is a use respirations of animals, and animal is give means the animal is give out the carbon dioxide and the water. This water and carbon dioxide is used for the photosynthesis. In this photosynthesis oxygens are released, but the organic molecule is also used there, C6H12O6. This is the oxygen cycles, and then oxygen is released in the atmosphere. जैसे कि हम बोल सकते हैं कि प्लांट जो ऑक्सीजन रिस्पायर करते हैं और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड छोड़ देते हैं, वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्लांट अपना फोटोसिंथेसिस के लिए उस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का यूज़ करते हैं और उस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से वो क्या करते हैं, फोटोसिंथेसिस यानी अपना खाना बनाते हैं वो, यानी फोटोसिंथेसिस करते हैं और ऑक्सीजन जो होता है वो फोटोसिंथेसिस में रिलीज़ हो जाता है और वो रिलीज़ हुआ ऑक्सीजन जो है वो एनिमल प्लांट एब्सॉर्ब कर लेते हैं फॉर या लाइफ, जीने के लिए. सो डू यू नो, क्या आपको मालूम है मोस्ट ऑफ द माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स यूज द ऑक्सीजन फॉर द respiration, such as a microbes are called as aerobes, and the microbes which do not need the oxygens are called as anaerobes. Oxygen is important for the synthesis of the proteins, carbohydrates, fats, etc. Also use it in the various chemical reactions. Ozone O3, it is produced from the oxygen though the various atmospheric procedure. So no student, कि जो ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज अ एरोबेज बोलते हैं, और जो ऑक्सीजन लेते नहीं, जिन्हें ऑक्सीजन की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, उसे कहा जाता है अनएरोबेज. यानी जहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन की ज़रूरत है वहाँ पे एरोबेज, और जहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन की ज़रूरत नहीं माइक्रोबेज को, उन माइक्रोबेज को कहा जाता है एनोरोबेज. सो हियर इज़ अ नाइट्रोजन साइकिल इज़ गिवन हियर कि नाइट्रोजन में N2 फॉर्म होता है और वो कैसे रिलीज होता है, अटेंशन टू Yeah, so nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle means atmospheric nitrogen. This nitrogens turn the compounds of the nitrogen into the gaseous nitrogen. That is a form of compound of the nitrogen. First of all, animal eats the plant, and this and eats the plant, and the nitrogenous waste from the secretions and the dead of the animal. This nitrogenous waste is accept the compound of the nitrogen in the soil, and this soil is used for the growing of the plant. This is uptake by the plant, and this is again this procedure with the nitrogenous fixation bacteria, and the blue green algae is fixed in atmospheric nitrogen. Say there is a bacteria in the turn the fixed nitrogen into the nitrogenous compound, and again go to the compound of the nitrogen in the soil. And this is a nitrogen fixation bacteria, and blue green algae is fixed atmosphere nitrogens, and it is turned into the atmospheric nitrogens. Means this fixation of the bacteria, blue green algae fix atmospheric nitrogen, bacteria turn into the fixed nitrogen into the nitrogenous compound. It is also turned to the compound of nitrogen in the soil, and it is also lightening the fix of nitrogen is also given here. And this is again up to take means the that is a plant, animals eat the plant, and nitrogenous waste is form of the secretions and dead of the animal is and then this mix with the soil, and soil this plant take up means uptake by the plant, and this is again conversions of the bacteria turn the compound of the nitrogenous into the gaseous nitrogen and form the atmospheric nitrogen. Nitrogenous form of the 78%, that is the maximum portions of the atmosphere. It is necessary for the maintenance of the cycle of nature, the circulations and recycling of the nitrogen gas into the form of different compound. The various biotic and abiotic process in the nature is called as nitrogen cycle. Means 78% maximum nitrogen is present in the atmosphere. It is in recycling. All the organisms is participant in the nitrogen cycle. It is an important component, proteins, nucleic acid, as compared to the other element. It is inactive and does not easily combine with the other element. Most of the organism cannot use free from the nitrogen. यानी ऐसा है कि द ऑल ऑर्गेनिज्म पार्टिसिपेंट करते हैं नाइट्रोजन साइकिल में, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ होता है कि वहाँ पे प्रोटीन्स एंड न्यूक्लिक एसिड है इज कंपेयर टू द अदर एलिमेंट्स, एंड इनएक्टिव एंड गुड डज नॉट ईजिली कंबाइन विद द अदर एलिमेंट, क्योंकि कुछ एलिमेंट से वो कंबाइन होता है कंपेयर टू द अदर एलिमेंट, बट डज नॉट कंबाइन विद द अदर एलिमेंट. कंपेयर कर सकता है वो, लेकिन कंबाइन नहीं कर सकता वो दूसरे एलिमेंट से. तो मोस्ट ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिज्म कैन नॉट यूज़ द फ्री फॉर्म ऑफ द नाइट्रोजन, यानी कुछ ऐसे ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं कि वो फ्री फॉर्म वाला नाइट्रोजन नहीं लेते हैं. सो इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रोसेस ऑफ द नाइट्रोजन साइकिल. First is nitrogen fixation. Conversions of the nitrogen into the nitrates and nitrates through the atmospheric, industrial and biological process में इसका यूज़ किया जाता है. नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन means the conversion of nitrogen into the nitrates and nitrates. Ammonifications means release of ammonia through the decomposition of dead bodies and excretory waste of the organism. That is ammonia means NH4, NH3. Nitrifications means the conversion of ammonia into the nitrates and then nitrites. Denitrifications means the conversions of nitrogen compound into the gaseous nitrogen. This is called as a denitrifications. So I hope today you understand this topic. So like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.